Struggling to find Namecheap's growth tools? In 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly where they are and how to start your free trial. We'll go from your Namecheap dashboard to activating the Relate Marketing Suite in just a few clicks. So let's start at the very beginning. Open up your browser and head over to Namecheap.com. This is where you'll log into your account if you haven't already. It's the same place you bought your domain, and it's also where all the hidden tools live. Just make sure you're on the main homepage before we go any further. Now, look at the top navigation bar. You'll see a bunch of menu items, but the one we want is called AI. It's not always the most obvious option, so here's a quick tip. It's usually sitting near the center or right side of that top menu. Click on that AI link. This is where Namecheap bundles all their smart marketing solutions. I've clicked through this a few times myself, so I know it can feel like a bit of a treasure hunt at first. Okay, once you're on the AI page, scroll down a little until you see the section for Relate Marketing Suite. Go ahead and click on that. This is the tool that's going to help you grow your site, send emails, and manage your audience. It's a pretty powerful system, and the best part is you get to try it out before you commit. And here's the really important part. Once you're on the Relate page, look for a big button that says Your Marketing Solved. Click that one. It's their main call to action, and it's designed to be hard to miss. This is the gateway to getting everything set up. From there, you'll see a button that says Start Free Trial. Click on it. Now, just a heads up, this might take a moment to load as it prepares your account. Don't worry if the screen flashes or refreshes, that's totally normal. Next up, you'll need to choose how you want to pay. You'll see two options, monthly and yearly. Let's start by clicking on monthly. This is a great way to dip your toes in without a long-term commitment. I usually recommend people start here just to make sure the tool fits their workflow. Now, after you select monthly, take a look at the yearly option as well. Click on it just to see the price difference. It's usually a better deal if you're planning to stick around, but the choice is yours. Clicking back and forth between these two is totally fine. The system won't lock you in until you confirm. Finally, once you've decided on your billing plan, click the Get Started button. This is the last step. The system will ask you for some basic details, like your email and a password, but don't worry, you don't need to enter anything sensitive. Just fill in the blanks and you're good to go. And that's it. You've gone from wondering where those growth tools were to having the Relate Marketing Suite ready to use. From here, you can start building your email lists, setting up automations, and really taking control of your site's growth. Give yourself a pat on the back. You just unlocked a tool that most Namecheap users don't even know exists. Thanks for following along.